who made it.
That ain't worked the way I wanted it to. All right there. Okay, so we got this package for the bike from, as you can see, Advanblack. Make sure you install the product, inspect it thoroughly. And then they got their return policy and everything there. And we got a sticker. Love stickers. So these are the mid-air deflectors. These are the mid-air deflectors for the bike. Already pre-painted. So mid-air engine deflectors with hardware. You see, look at that color match. That's sexy. That is very sexy. I'm not gonna pull them all the way out, but when I get home today from work, we'll go ahead and get them installed on the bike. That Velocity Red Sunglow is sexy, boy. Sexy. So here we are in the garage with the bike. From the videos I've seen, you don't have to take the actual seat off, but I have large hands, so the more room I have to work with, then the better it is. So this one is the left side, so we'll put that one over there. This one is the right side. So it should pretty much fit the contour. So this is, so you can see up there, it's like two holes. Let's see. This ain't a how-to, I'm just showing y'all what I'm doing. So there's like two holes, like right here. 1 and 2. One is already like pre-threaded. The other one is not. From what I understand, I only need to use one, and the other one will just fall right here using these here. So I think this is supposed to just slide up in there like that. And then the other hole right there is already pre-threaded, so we should be good to go. I did notice some guys use like a little bit of tape to make that a snugger fit, so I might do that as well, just to make sure it don't come out. Alright, so that pretty much is like what it looks like on the bike. Damn good color match, if I say so myself. Yeah, can't really tell the difference, if there was a difference to tell. I did still have to tighten it down, finish snugging it down, but I just wanted to so y'all could see it as it was at this moment. On the other side, so I wanted to see how this sat so that I could kind of look at the other side and determine if that's gonna work. Because as you can see, my antenna runs like right there, so I should be able to make it fit on there. This is actually like now, like I never looked down here, but the antenna is like long as shit. I mean, I don't know how, because the only thing you see is this portion right here. So I thought it was just like some little stubby antenna. I was like, oh, they're so cute and out the way and out, can't see it. But now I see the full length of the antenna. So let me see what we're gonna have to do. Let me finagle this side and then go from there. Also, a tip on the tape: don't go super heavy on it, man. Like just enough, man. Like just a little bit. Because if you go wrapping around 2 and 3 layers of electrical tape, it ain't gonna fit. And then you got to peel it back off. And then you're gonna be mad, like me, or I was. I'm not mad anymore. I got it on there. So yeah, yo. All right, so seat back on. Make sure I got it on there right. Which I did. Shout out to what's this BMC motorcycle company. They make the little thing. Shout out to Master Lock. Even though I feel like I could go through that shit with a Dremel, it's a theft deterrent. It makes it where it's not easy. So don't be out here stealing people's seats, man. When somebody told me that shit, I was like, bro, that's crazy. That is crazy. So yeah, mid-engine air deflector is on. Yeah, you know, I don't know. I mean, afterthoughts after it's installed. Meh. Could I have skipped on it? Maybe. But I believe it's made more to deflect the heat rather than look good. I don't know if I would have, in hindsight, I might have would have broken it up with some chrome, but I don't know. Y'all let me know. Do you think I should have went? Are y'all feeling the same color air deflectors, or do you think I should have went chrome? It's too late now. We in there, they installed. But let me know. Curious to hear y'all's thoughts. And then, like I said, on this side, I said the antenna is kind of laying right there on it. So, I mean, it kind of makes the antenna more pronounced, but, you know, not all the way. So, I don't know. I don't know. I'm kind of having, I know when I first got the bike, I'm like, yeah, I'm going to do mid-engine air deflectors, and if they function the way that they're supposed to, that's a big plus. You know what I mean? As far as just looks though, I don't know. I'm kind of torn. I'm not. I don't know. Like that's it. Like, I mean, I knew from the beginning they was just air deflectors, but I don't know.
You know who made it.
So, get down in the comments. Let me know what you think of these mid-air deflectors from the one and only Advanblack. Identify yo. Oh, almost did it. Almost did it. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about the mid-engine air deflectors from Advanblack, and I'll catch you in the next video.